20 answers to the most common social media questions. Because the social media world is continuously changing, both newbie and expert marketers may always learn something new. Naturally, you may have a slew of pressing social media marketing queries that you're hesitant to ask since they seem obvious. However, no question is too simple because catching up can be difficult. In this video, we answer some of the most common and important questions about social media. Let's get started. 1. How many people are on social media? Our latest data show that there are 4.48 billion social media users around the world in July 2021, equating to almost 57% of the total global population. 2. What is the most popular social media platform? With roughly 2.89 billion monthly active users as of the second quarter of 2021, Facebook is the biggest social network worldwide. In the third quarter of 2012, the number of active Facebook users surpassed 1 billion, making it the first social network ever to do so. Active users are those who have logged into Facebook during the past 30 days. During the first quarter of 2021, the company stated that 3.51 billion people were using at least one of the company's core products, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger, each month. 3. How much time does the average person spend every day on social media? Social network users will spend a daily average of 1 hour, 22 minutes with social networks this year, an increase of roughly 6 minutes from our previous forecast. While higher engagement numbers may be promising for marketers, it's important to note that these heightened levels may return to normal in 2021 and 2022. 4. What is the fastest growing social media platform? In 2019, Instagram's US user growth rate will have dropped to single digits for the first time to 6.7%, down from 10.1% in 2018. Starting in 2020, and through the end of our forecast period in 2023, we estimate that the social media platform will grow slower than previously expected. In 2020, TikTok increased its US user base by 85.3% compared to the previous year. Audience growth of the social video platform is projected to remain in double digits until 2021, before slowing down to a 5.1% annual user growth rate in 2024. 5. What's the best time to post on social media? The best time to post on social media depends on several factors. While your choice of platform and your industry both matter, your audience activity plays the biggest role. So ideally, you should look at your post performance to get valuable data about the perfect post timing for your business. 6. How often should I post on social media? Again, this largely depends on your audience. While you definitely should publish at least one post every day, you should see if posting more often will make any difference in your performance. Once you find a posting frequency that works for you, create a publishing calendar, and follow it consistently. 7. To advertise my business, which social media network should I use? While it is normal to assume that you should be present on all of the prominent platforms, this can be harmful if not done strategically. Instead, concentrate on a few sites that are really popular with your target group. As a result, the optimal platforms to employ will differ depending on the type of business. 8. What is the best way to get started with social media marketing? To get started with social media marketing, you'll need a goal, a target audience, and a strategy. Determine what you want to accomplish with social media marketing and who you want to attract. Then, to streamline and organize your approach, develop a social media strategy. 9. What kind of content should I share? This is also dependent on your industry and what appeals to your target audience, though on social media, images usually take the cake. Try out some of our social media post ideas and see which ones perform the best to find out what type of content your audience likes. Create a daily, weekly, or monthly series. Run a contest or giveaway. Host an AMA, conduct a social media takeover. Share, pin, retweet and regram. Create bite-sized video clips. Repurpose your content. And more. 10. How can I get more followers on social media? Growing your social media following involves a lot of planning and strategizing, as well as posting the right content and targeting the right audience. And the most important, be consistent. 11. What is the average age of Instagram users? The majority of Instagram users are between the ages of 18 and 34 on average. 12. What is the average number of Instagram followers? Since the purpose of personal Instagram accounts is to connect with family and friends, the average Instagram personal account has about 150 followers. 13. What percentage of Instagram followers see your post? While Instagram hasn't confirmed anything, several users have discovered that just roughly 7% of their followers see their postings. This is due to the fact that the platform favors postings from accounts you connect with frequently. 14. What is the total number of Instagram posts? Since its inception, Instagram has seen over 50 billion photos uploaded on the platform. And there is an average of 100 million photos and videos uploaded every day. 15. Is Instagram going to sell your data? While Instagram does not sell personal data, it does share analytics data about users' activities and preferences with third-party partners like marketers and analytics providers. Instagram's data policy states that your information will never be sold. 16. What kind of data does Instagram gather? Instagram captures your content, conversation, and information in addition to your device information. This can include information about your material, such as its location. It also records how you use the site, as well as the individuals, accounts, and hashtags with whom you communicate. To discover more about what information is collected, see the Instagram data policy in its entirety. 17. Can you export Instagram followers? Yes. While not included in the Instagram app, third-party applications like IG Export and Phantom Buster allow you to export your Instagram followers to a .csv file. 18. Is there a way to download Instagram posts? You can get a copy of all the posts you've shared on Instagram by downloading them. The Instagram Help Center can show you how to do this. Instagram won't let you download other people's posts directly, but you can use third-party programs like Downloadgram and Ingrammer to do it. Keep in mind that recent modifications to Instagram's terms of service have an impact on any image downloading, reposting, or embedding you undertake. 19. How can you save someone else's Instagram photo? You can save someone else's post on Instagram so you can find it later. Simply click the Save button at the bottom of the post to add it to your collection on Instagram. It's important to note that this is not the same as downloading the image or movie. You'll need to use third-party programs to download the photo or video to your device, as described in the prior response. 20. How can I see who saved my pictures on Instagram? While Instagram does not allow you to view who has saved your posts, Instagram business profiles can see how many times a certain post has been saved. This information may be found in the Post Insights section, however it only shows the number of saves, not the names of people who have saved it to their collection.